Here's how to make Windows 10 or 11 taskbar smaller or bigger. So for Windows 10 is pretty straightforward. You can right click on the taskbar and then uncheck lock all taskbars, and then put the cursor on the top of the taskbar, and then click and drag to increase the size or drag down to reduce the size. And then you want to right click on the taskbar again and click on lock all taskbars to lock it at that height or size. Now for Windows 10, for Windows 11, it's locked by default, so you can only modify the scale from the settings. So in order to modify the taskbar individually, you can use a mode for Windows, which is called Windhawk. So we want to open our browser and then search for Windhawk like this, and then click on the first link, and we want to download and install this. So click on download, and once the download is completed, you should simply double click on this installer to start the setup. And now you should pick a language, press OK, and then continue the installation. Next, and then confirm. And you should select all of these, the startup menu shortcuts and desktop shortcuts. Press next, and then press install and wait for it to download and install the files. Now for Windows 10, currently there is only this way to modify the taskbar size and the icons. Unfortunately, by default, for some reason, it's not supported to do that from the Windows settings, which is kind of weird. So when this is completed, you want to open the Hawk application, and you want to go to the Explore tab, click on it, and in the search bar, we want to click on, or we want to search for taskbar, and then click on Windows taskbar. So we don't want a styler, we want to use the second one, which is taskbar height and icon size. So we want to click on it, click on details, and then click on install, and then read this and click on accept and install if you want to. And this should install the mod. And once it's installed, you want to go to the settings tab, and in here you can modify the icon size in the taskbar, and then you can modify the taskbar height by modifying this value, and it tells you that the default value is 48 for this on Windows 11, as well as the other options that you can modify. So you can play with this value, increase or decrease, and see what matches your preferences, as well as the icon size, and then click on Save Settings to apply the settings to the taskbar. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.